Okay.
Think my voice was going somewhere a little bit. The girls like it when my voice do this. I don't know why. And I was like, oh, my voice. She's like, I like it. I was like, okay. I got to rap for 3 days to get my voice like this. Hey, hey, hey. But she likes it. She loves it. So I do's it. Hey, I want to fly. Put it out. Save it for later. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the lounge. We in here with MVP. We got Thomas sitting on the bike like he from Greece. We got E and J. We got we got motherfucking Jimmy on this bitch. He say he feels sick. He about to vomit. He about to throw up. What's up, y'all? Y'all know who I am. It's 420 all the time. Shit. All the time.
My bad, KJ.
All the time.
Shit.
420 light all the time. Don't it make you want to choke, baby, smoking on the green vine? I know that it's divine. All the thoughts flowing through your mind when you smoke on the green vine. Get you so enlightened. Sit back on the couch, just light it and smoke. Sit cartoons, yeah, get enlightened. I got it. What you got in your pockets? Let me get what you got. Let me get what you got. Let me get what you got up in your pockets. Hey, Blazer J. I blaze a J, my mind fade away. I blaze a J, my mind do fade away. I blaze a J, my mind float away to another place. I float away. When I blaze a J, I float away to another place. I try to escape this reality, cause this life is so fucked up. Baby, take me to another place. I do wanna escape. Everybody trying to get down. All I really wanna go to a place where I can't be free. Everybody tried to entrap me. All this government shit, politics trying to trap me. All the laws, all the police trying to keep them, but they ain't really realistic, is it? Now I wanna move to another place where I can just groove. Everybody wanna get down, listen to the sound. Greenery smoke fills my ozone now. Everybody wanna come around because we know we got that boom bastard shit bass. You can't feel your face, numbed up chump, yeah, I know. Erase your whole memory from the sedations that you've been taking. Middle of the night type shit, partying with the gremlins again, but you love it, that's why you don't quit. Keep rocking to the ones and twos, that's what you wanna do. But don't forget about your real life, the rest of it you remember, right? Hypnosis, bitch.
And you know I love it, you know I gotta touch it. Ain't nothing above it. I do it slow, and I do it fast. But everybody do it, you know MVP, I gotta spend that cash. We don't wanna talk about them other niggas, we just talk about me and you. I'm slashing Tommy Hilfiger like I'm from the times, from behind. Back in time, we don't give a fuck like a time machine. I love you loving, it makes me feel so above and you know I always love it. I'm higher than I ever been before. I don't love a hoe, I love you. And you know we do it too. It always keeps me high and it always keeps me alive.
When you're feeling low, you wanna get down. When you're feeling low, you wanna get up. When you're feeling low, you wanna get down. When you're feeling low, you wanna smoke up. The greenery, sir, yes, my brain do flow. I was having a bad day at work, yo. Everybody was tripping, but I was like, wait till I get off. I'ma blaze like a million joints, bitch. That's the point. I'ma get off, blast off, what the fuck. Catch an ENT, y'all know what's up. When I come through, got it in the truck. Everybody wanna party, bonfire going down, bitch. Yeah, get naughty, got speakers, rockin' this bitch. Everybody know how we do it in the country, bitch. That's where we at, the 850, somewhere on the map. But let it go, yo. Yeah, psycho flow from the 850. You know how the Florida boys do go. Yeah, we be rolling in the lounge. Blast off, land right now. In a whole nother place, whole nother continent. Cause you clicked on it, YouTube, bitch. Yeah, everywhere, but that's it off. MBT gonna set it off, or MVP gonna set it off. Anybody wanna do it, y'all set it off. Yeah, Jimmy gonna set it off.
We gon' set it off cause y'all know y'all soft like some fucking kittens. And we fuck your pussy like some mittens. It's so warm and soft, yeah, you know we get it off. And you know we always floss, always get that cash. We like them dolls like Barbie, and we like it when you're naughty. And we like them hoes exotic, yeah, it's just our hobby. And you know it's the lobby, yeah, we call it the lounge. It's where we get down on these freestyles and just clown around. It's MVP, baby.
Hey, What y'all wanna do? Get loose with the crew. We in the lounge right now. You know that it goes down. We in the jungle, bitch. You listen to Caribbean sounds. KJENT, baby. KJENT, baby. We in the lounge. There go Brent. There go MVP. Hey, there go Jimmy. There go Thomas. There go E and J. Hey, hey, and KJENT. Hey, and Pat Summer lounging. Hey, we in the lounge, bitch. Do what you want. Make your own choice. Don't be a punk. Hey, what you really wanna do? Get down with the crew. Everybody wanna hang out right now, but they don't really know how to do it. What's the code? I don't know, Mr. Green with the brown. Hey, get down, just a lounge, baby. Sit back and chill back. I'll tell you where we be at, somewhere you not at, but you can come where I'm at. I'll show you how to get there, but don't forget it, bitch. And some people get blindfolded. I don't need them chasing me, coming back talking about remember that old party. Bitch, I don't need you right back here. Yeah, I told you I love you, but that was for one night only. Hey, boo. KJENT, we in the lounge. Make it break right now. How it's going down. I'm like a snowboarder sliding down the fucking Alps. That's how I do it, baby. Words are spraying out my mouth. Hey, whatever you think it is, it really don't count. You see it all, bitch. I fucking fade them out. It's like a football game. See, rhyme is nothing to me, so I try to stuff it up with other shit you never seen. It's free posting poetry type bullshit. That's the shit you'll never really forget. Like free verse, kid. Don't have to rhyme like half the time. Doesn't have to be the same thing. Always put it on rewind and switch it up like Back to the Future type shit, or quantum leap into the past to rearrange it. Ooh, did I say that? Bitch, change. I was trying to kill the time so it'll be a long track. Hey, she said I like them 11-minute tracks where you just be talking about how much you love me and love my body and how I make you feel. I don't like it when you be talking about smoking weed and standing on the block and riding at night. I be like, okay, baby, tonight it's all about you, boo, like honeybee. You make me wanna be a better man for eternity. I might take your hand, make you the queen, cause I am a king and we can rule the land. Now what you wanna do about it, baby? You in love with me, I'm in love with you. I told you once upon a time I'll make all your dreams true, but it's gonna take a long time, cause I'm still stacking up sometimes. You can add to the equation, but you gotta be patient. It takes a good while, but the intelligent don't miss shit. I'm aiming it out and poking it out, and one day I'll hit it. I'm climbing up that mountain, just hold on, baby, be strong. I'ma make it up that bitch before long. Hey, I got you. I know these words are true. I told you one day I'ma fulfill all your dreams. Hey, baby, got you. I know these words are true. I told you one day I'ma fulfill all your dreams. All your dreams. I know it seems unrealistic, but the point you missed it. So I bring it back so you remember where we at, baby. I got you. I'll make your dreams come true. And I told you that I will fulfill all your dreams. All your dreams. Hey, I know it seems like a lie, but baby, I do try. I know that I'll be flying too high with the other guys, wasting time putting lines on the wax. But believe me, baby, one day it will count for something. Just hold on to that pace, peace, faith, and perseverance. You the closest thing to an angel, so I say the nearest to you. And when I'm in trouble, boo, I come back to you. You say them prayers for me. Don't forget I was saying them too. Now we be double teaming the truth. Hey, baby, I got you, so just hold on. Told you to be strong, I'll be coming back in so long. Got you, baby, I got you. I told you one day I'll fulfill all of your dreams. Hey, baby, got you.
You give me all your blessings. It's always been a message. You've always been a blessing. I love it when I'm in the bed under the sheets. You a lady in the streets, but a freak in the sheets. You make me feel so good. You know I'm from the hood, and you like that, baby. I wish you never could. You like the way I am, cause you know I'm going ham. I'm with the program, and I say yes, ma'am. Whatever you want, it's what I want. That's what I want to do. I don't even fight and flaunt. We just get it off. We just get it on. We don't give a fuck. Light switch, call you my madam. You my madam, and I don't give a damn. We just go ham. you know we gon' clown. It's MVP on this motherfucking beast. We don't give a fuck cause we from the streets. Motherfucking killer from the 334. Pass it to Jimbo cause we do it slow. And we be flexing, we don't never stress. We smoke this loud blunts like we taking our last breath. We call it the lounge where we always gon' clown with the program. I say yeah.
I ain't gonna bite my son bitch at all. What were you talking about, bitch? I ain't finna show
Baby,
them
I
all.
got you.
I got
know
you.
these words are true. Baby, I got you. I'ma fulfill all your dreams. I know it seems unrealistic, baby, but have faith in me. Baby, I got you. I'ma fulfill all your dreams. I know it seems unrealistic, baby, but have faith in me. Hey, baby, got you. Baby, I got you. I know these words are true. I got the energy. I put it forth into your life, baby. No, it'll be alright. Just hold on when we make it to the other side. You'll see, you'll see, you'll see. Got you, that I got you, baby. I got you, I got you, I got you.